post. And they're off. Ingot and Mint Prospect both have speed from the far outside. Solb is there between horses. Gold Raider down toward the rail along with That's More Like It. And now Solb between horses puts ahead in front. Mint Prospect is there. Ingot far outside. That's More Like It kicks in toward the rail. And Gold Raider up close in between horses as well. The top 5 separated by less than 1 length. That's More Like It moves up the rail to get the lead. Then a break of 5 more lengths back to Devil at Sea. Another 3 back of that one to Tougher Tiger, Aristocrat, who is running next to last, and Revival time for the opening quarter. That's More Like It leads at a half length. Mint Prospect, Ingot up on the far outside. Solb up close in between horses, now regaining the 3rd spot, a half length off the lead. Gold Raider drops back along the rail. Devil at Sea moves up outside of that one, 4 lengths from the front. Then Tougher Tiger, Revival Song, Aristocrat is running last, 8 lengths from the leader. That's More Like It, challenged by Mint Prospect. Devil at Sea moves to the outside. Aristocrat is moving quickly to the center of the track along with Revival Song, and Tougher Tiger getting through between horses. Aristocrat has to find more. Tougher Tiger's moving by the 8th pole. Aristocrat runs on 2nd on the outside. Revival Song is 3rd. Tougher Tiger under Mark Guidry with a 2-length advantage. Aristocrat, then Revival Song. Aristocrat, a final run at Tougher Tiger. Photo finish, either Aristocrat or Tougher Tiger. Long way back to Revival Song 3rd. Devil at Sea was 4th.